going to a Chewy since Texas. Arriving to our 3-bedroom superior suite. This is a small tour. We were all so excited to settle in and take a quick break before heading to the pool. Is this one yours, Crunch?
Another one.
It's a beautiful day in sunny Florida. Ready?
Yeah.
LOTD. Yes. Day 2, and I'm just getting to this camera. Yesterday we spent the whole day swimming, lounging, swimming some more, doing the water slides, doing the lazy river. And today we just kind of took it easy. And it's later in the afternoon, so we're gonna go see what we can go get into. It's actually Easter Sunday, but the weather here is gorgeous, and just these are our views, which you may have seen in the tour, because I was planning to do a tour of the apartment. And actually, let me take you for a look around since there's no one in the living room right now. I'm enjoying Orlando. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
My honey Crunch is having a good time. We're all having a good time. It's beautiful. Sunny and hot is my kind of weather. It's just lovely. I could live here. I love it. It's so beautiful. Let me say beautiful again. Anyway, let's go see what's going on in the community, see what the local folks are up to. And after that, we'll probably grab lunch or dinner or snacks. We're not really sure. We're just going wherever the day leads us. How was the ice cream, Crunch? Whoa, that good?
Yeah.
Here comes the drinkies. That's the milkshake part. Crunch, you just want the sprinkles, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Crunch.
I could just stare at them all day.
They're cute, huh? So many turtles. Just kidding, Mommy Duck would attack us.
How many does she have, baby?
11.
It's raining so hard that it will fill up the entire earth and no humans could survive again.
Poppy's running for it. He's going for it.
Careful, wait! Look, some other people are running to the car.
We're headed to Clearwater right now. It's about a 2-hour drive from here. We're feeling adventurous, feeling like we want to break away. We got out for a bit yesterday. We were downtown Orlando walking around. There was music, some food trucks, and a beautiful little lake there. And we saw the cutest little duck family. And we stopped for ice cream. So that was a really nice day out. And we're itching like we want to get out again. So we're about to hit the road. And OOTD, oh, my child number 2, Data. Can you move over?
No! What is his underwear?
It's hot and sunny. Loving my Amazon Wide Brim find. Okay, my babe went to get an anchor for our umbrella. Because this was an impromptu trip, but very fun.
Little tiny parts of quartz. This is actually quartz, which has not been tinted by iron oxide or feldspar. The tan sand beaches have been tinted by iron oxide or feldspar. And some sand can even be pink. Sometimes sand could be black.
That's
Black sand is made from salt. The pink sand is made from these little features in the ocean and beautiful spots. One example is Bermuda. Bermuda has pink sand.
Yep.
I saw. You see a fin? Just keep your eyes peeled, guys.
Cute little beach nearby. Chill out. It's very mellow. Feels very local.
If I see an alligator, tell me so.
Last hurrah. It's my outfit. I'm wondering if I should tuck this in. This is for my plane ride home. I have a little pullover that I featured in my haul. Maybe I'll tuck it.